Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here I would actually be sharing with you guys the way in which you can split or slice your Instagram carousel into 4 parts. Yes, so you can look at some Instagram posts whereby you will have um the main design. That's where you have 1280 by 1280. Yes, then you have it splitted into 4 equal parts. So I'll teach you how to do this very simple in using your Photoshop. This is just in less than a minute you get it done. So firstly, what you have to do is immediately open your Photoshop file. Make sure that your size, so let's go back to our home tab. Yes, we'll create a new file. So you choose your size to be 1280 by 1280. Yes, so let's create let's check this to white, then we create a new canvas. So this is our new canvas. So very quickly, let me import another design here because I don't want to have another design here. So let me make what a quick design. So let's make use of this, drag and drop it. So yes, this is the design we're making use of. So what we want to do is, if you post your Instagram story, if you post on your Instagram, you would have this, then you have it splitted into four different sides. So this will actually make your post to stand out. This can be done very easy. And so what you will actually do here is to click on the slice tool. You right click, then select slice tool, then you click on the image because the slice tool has a picker. So you click on the image, then you click on divide slice into two. Some previously, before now, you might have one in your own. So this is giving me one horizontal, then one vertical. Do you understand? Yes. So what you do here is to change it to 2. Yes, 2. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So your designs are actually saving in 4 parts. Yes, so you click on OK. So as with this action, you've been able to split your designs into 4. So exporting it out would be very seamless. So how you would export this out, you go to your file, go to export, then save web legacy. Yes, so you don't need to do artboard to file, artboard to PDF, quick export. If you do that, it won't save in 4 places. Do you understand? So if you do that, you just save at once. So how you do that is just go to save for web legacy. So you just give it time, it will load. So and you have different segments, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so this segment is highlighted for you to see what or where it covers, where the area covers, each section will cover. So this is that section. So you just look at the precepts and my settings of exporting. Actually, you don't need to touch any settings, but then just click on check this interlaced. So mine was actually unchecked, so you check that, then you click on save. So immediately click on save, you choose the folder in which you want it to save, then click on save. So just a minute and it is done. So let's check our folder. This is the folder I created for this. So click on image. So this is our image. So we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 it was divided into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can actually post a single design and then back it up with this to make your carousel look. So this helps you to give your viewers more attention to your content, your design content. Do you understand? As a graphic designer. So guys, thank you, and thank you very much. Do well to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Drop a comment in the comment section if you love this and what next you want me to explain on my next video. Yeah, thank you guys.